about Bulmer. Thank you very much for the time in this video to introduce Georg Fischer Piping Systems. My role within the company, I'm head of market development for data centers, so coordinate all our global activities in terms of marketing and also technical support. GF Piping Systems is proud to be here at the DCW 2020. Here we are presenting our vision for the future in terms of introducing our piping systems, our thermoplastic piping systems, to the market in terms of increasing the efficiency and also the lowering the carbon emissions footprint in a cooling plant with use of thermoplastic piping systems. The advantage of a piping system, plastic piping system, is that it has a very smooth bore, no corrosion, simple to install, very simple, reduced time to market by use of off-site fabrication, and also the sheer efficiency of piping system is also a trend that the market is very much focused upon at the moment, is introducing products that increase the efficiency of a cooling plant. We at the moment experience on a daily basis, I would say, in terms of data centers, three major market drivers, namely efficiency, time to market, and reliability. These are what our customers are asking us for. So in terms of our solutions that we offer to the market, in terms of efficiency, we have excellent piping systems in terms of thermal conductivity and transfer of energy in the cooling plant. In terms of time to market, we offer extensive off-site fabrication facilities and also engineering to ensure that as much work as possible is done off-site, away from the actual building site, and done in parallel, and therefore quality of workmanship, but also planning of the whole data center can be done more accurately. And then in terms of reliability, Georg Fischer is a very reliable name in the piping system market, and also thermoplastics with no corrosion and a guaranteed minimum 24-year lifespan. Excellent reliability. I think in today's world, if you're looking at doing a greenfield or brownfield site extension to an existing or new data center, the operators but also the contractors should really be looking at what's the state of the art at the moment. We must be really using the most efficient materials, the best materials that are available. Shouldn't just be going to what you're used to using for the last 20 years. They should be asking themselves the question, well, is this really state of the art what I'm using now? Is there something better on the market in terms of individual products, in terms of complete solutions? And that will then increase the efficiency of the whole plant and improve the whole market for all of us. We have competitors globally on the market. Of course, there are other people supplying piping systems. In terms of our footprint in the market, we don't just, of course, we're very much highly focused upon also the product. Of course, the product is very important. We have our own R&D facilities and our own production sites. But what we have done the last years is we have increased our extensive role away also into engineering. So let's say the downside of the engineering process to support engineers and contractors and design engineers in designing in a plastic piping system, but into a system that would normally, let's say, be done in metallic system. And then also at the end side, let's say in the operating phase, we also offer an extensive service in terms of NDT, non-destructive testing, to ensure that the quality of the product is really the best you can possibly get. So our differentiation in the market and added value in terms of piping system is the complete package that we offer, not just in terms of the product, but the services at the front end and also the back end.
So my role in Georg Fischer Piping Systems is to take the success that we've had in Europe and develop it globally. The players in the hyperscale market are looking for people that can provide copy exact and the same quality globally. So I started in the data center industry almost by accident. The clients that we were working with were in the microelectronics industry, and as that industry closed down or slowed down in the cycle, they started to move into the data centers. And then with them knowing the advantages of Georg Fischer Plastics, they approached us and asked us if we would be interested in partnering and working with them. If you think about the usage of the digital economy in our everyday life and how it's growing with GPS, with our credit cards, with the demand for information instantly, the growth in the data center market is phenomenal. So the cooling in this market, in mission critical as it's described, is absolutely essential to maintaining the networks in the larger or in any of the data centers. George Fisher plastic piping systems are already contributing to carbon reduction in all industries, but also now in the data center market. This is because the production of our products against the traditionally used products in this industry are far lower already. The smoothness of the bore leads to less energy required in pumping the cooling systems around, and it is very corrosion resistant, so there's no need of replacement. And then with our CoolFit products, we've now got a system which is more efficient, up to 25% more efficient in heat emissions or heat transfer. What we're finding, the global trend and the growth in the market, and George Fisher being able to give copy exact all over the world to the clients that are working globally, is a key advantage. So our strategy is to take the success that we've had in Europe, success we're having in America, and copy exact it, offering our clients quality and peace of mind in mission critical cooling. Would be come along, have a look, see something different, look at the innovations that George Fisher can provide you in the data center market, and have an open mind.